Flight controllers, go no go. Guidance. Go flight. Temperatures. Go. Miko. Go Miko. Vehicle engines. Vehicle engines good. Heat shield. Go heat shield. Navigation. Go navigation. Flight termination system. Go FTS. Nebula Core. Go booster. And control. Control go. All green for mission control. Flight director, go for launch. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, ignition 2, 1. Lift off. Pad sustained heavy damage. FTS standby. Vehicle is pitching downrange. Core stage and engines, vehicle status. One engine lost. Core stage green. FTS set critical. Entering max Q. Trajectory nominal. Speed minus 50 MPS. Booster engines cut off. Separation overdue. 5 seconds past scheduled separation. Broken atmosphere. Booster, heavy damage. FTS, standby. Confirm, is P22 clear of Nebula? P22 engines nominal. P22 status green. Scrap booster recovery. P22 has entered course stage. Continuing to monitor vehicle. Engines go for ignition. Ignition for orbit burn. Trajectory nominal. Achieved LEO. Cut off. Go for reorientation. Go for deorbit burn. Ignition. Cut off. Heat shield, go for re-entry. Temperatures, go for re-entry. Fuel, go for re-entry. Flight director, go for re-entry. Broken atmosphere. Temperatures nominal. Heat shield, nominal. Peak temp 2768. Survive re-entry. We're horizontal. Altitude 2,500 feet. Ignition for flip. 400 feet. Heavy damage. Control lost. LOS. Flight controllers, data stream status. Navigation data stream lost. Heat shield data stream lost. Engine data stream lost. Control data stream lost. Loss of Nebula Core stage confirmed. Loss of P22 confirmed.